Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. So today we are going to start new topic which is related to OOPS concept. So it is one of the pillar of OOPS. So we are going to understand what is abstraction and how we can achieve abstraction using abstract class or interface. We have both the way to achieve. So let's get started. So we are going to understand the abstraction. So these are the pillars of OOPS concept: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Okay, so now we are going to cover abstraction. So our focus will be on abstraction. So how can we achieve abstraction? We'll see in next slide. Okay, what is abstraction? Firstly, we'll try to understand. So in object-oriented programming, abstraction is one of the four fundamental principles, along with encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So these all are the pillars of object-oriented programming. Abstraction in OOP is the concept of hiding the complex implementation details and showing only the essential features of an object. So abstraction in the OOPS is the concept of hiding the complex implementation. You don't know the implementation, how it is implementing. You know only the essential things. Okay, so it will be visible only essential things to user. So there is no relation between your code, how you are implementing. Okay, so abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. In simple word, you can say like this: it shows only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. Okay, and for example, sending SMS where you type the text and send the message, you don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. So user don't know how you are sending the message. Okay, if user want to send the message, then user can easily send, but user don't know the internals of how message is being sent. In Java, abstraction is achieved by interfaces and abstract classes. So we can achieve 100% abstraction using interfaces. Okay, 100% abstraction we can achieve with the help of interfaces, and partial we can do with the help of the abstract classes. So we are going to see both. So we'll see one by one. So abstraction by abstract class. So how can we achieve? The abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and methods. Okay, firstly we have to understand the abstract keyword. So we use abstract keyword with class and method. So if you are using with the help of the class, with class, that means you are making the abstract class, and for making abstract method you can use abstract keyword with method. Okay, so abstract class is a restricted class that can't be used to create object. So you can't create the object of abstract class. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. Okay, so if you want to create the uh, object of that abstract class, that means that you have to inherit in another class, and then you have to create the object of that class. Okay, that means class A is the object class, and if you want to get the object of class A, then you have to create a class B, and you have to extend that class A to class B, and then you can create the object of class B, and then you can access the methods which is inside class A. Okay, so like this you can do. So abstract method can only be used in an abstract class, and it does not have a body. Okay, so you can create abstract method inside only abstract class. The body is provided by subclass inherited form. Okay, so interface also you can also achieve the abstraction. How? So there is no need to provide any abstract keyword in interface one, or because all the method which is inside interface will be automatically abstract method. So there is no need to provide any abstract keyword in interface. Okay, so but if you want to create the abstract method inside the abstract class, then you have to use abstract keyword. An abstract class can have both abstract and regular methods. So how can you do? Okay, so see, this is the one abstract class, this is the abstract class, and this is the abstract method. So if you want to create the abstract method inside the abstract class, then you have to use this abstract keyword with method. So, and this is the concrete class. Okay, normal class like public void sleep. So like this, if you want to create the object of animal class which is abstract class, so you will get this error. Okay, that means you can't create the object of abstract class. So how can we do? So we have to extend this abstract class, and then you can provide the implementation of abstract method, and then you can create. So like this you can do. So abstraction by abstract class. So we are going to see how can we create, how can we achieve abstraction with the help of the abstract class. So this is abstract class. One animal is a animal class is abstract. So which is defined with the help of the abstract keyword. So abstract method is there. This is the abstract method. Okay. So don't have a body. So abstract method have only implementation. Okay. So sorry, only declaration. So there is no body of abstract method. So we have animal sound abstract method in animal class, and we have regular method which is concrete method sleep. Okay. So how can we achieve? So we have one class which is pig class, and we are extending animal class inside pig class, and we have one abstract method inside animal class. So what we are doing here, we have animal sound, so we are implementing animal sound inside pig class. Okay, the body of animal sound is provided here, so we are providing implementation of abstract method which is animal sound. Okay, inside pig class. So like this we can achieve abstraction with the help of the abstract class. And if you want to call, then we can call like this. We are creating the instance of pig class. Okay, so for creating the object you can create like this, and my pig dot animal sound, so we can call the this method, and after that my pig dot sleep, you can call this sleep method. Okay, so we can call the method which is available inside abstract class. Okay, and which is available inside this inherited class. Okay, so both the way we can do. So better to use interface for achieving the abstraction. Okay, so nobody is using abstract class to achieve the abstraction. So always it will be get great to use interface to achieve the abstraction. Industry is also using this. So let's see how can we achieve with the help of the interface abstraction by interfaces. So we have one animal class. Sorry, we have one animal interface, and we have two abstract method. One is animal sound and another is sleep. Okay, so all the method which is inside the interface will be by default abstract method. Okay, so we are not providing any here abstract keyword. Okay, so by default all the method which is inside the animal interface will be abstract method. Okay, so we so interface method does not have a body, does not have a body. That means the abstract method does not have a body. That means the we have to implement body. We have only declaration here, and if you want to declare implement the body, then we have to do inside the inherited class. Okay, like we have inherited class, like we have pick class. So here we are implementing animal. So we have two methods, so we are implementing animal sound. Okay, and then we are implementing sleep sleep method inside this pig class. Okay, and after implementing this pig class, what we are doing here, so we are creating an instance of my pig, and we are calling my pig dot animal sound and my pig dot sleep. Okay, so we are calling uh, method of method of animal class. Okay, which is implemented in pig class with the help of pig instance. Okay, my pig dot animal sound and my pig dot sleep method. So like this we can achieve abstraction with the help of the interface. So I think you understood everything from core to advanced. So how can we do? So we discussed everything. Thanks for watching. If you're loving my effort, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye everyone.